Hey, it's me, Leah, and we're going to talk about this Tresses Touch high-speed blow dryer. It's a 1600-watt fast drying. Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this Tresses Touch fast drying power 1600-watt hair dryer. I'm super excited to try this because not only does it come with a concentrator, it also comes with a diffuser. Let's open this up and check it out. So what's nice about this blow dryer, it has 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings, low and high, and it has an LED ring lamp right here so you can see the color of what the temperature you're using. And I'm going to have my husband wash his hair so I can blow dry his hair and show you how well this works. I'm super excited to try this, and this is really like lightweight. And this is your air outlet right here, and it's not supposed to be very noisy at all. So sorry. So here we are in my bathroom, and here's that blow dryer, and we're gonna put the concentrator on here, and it seems pretty simple to connect. Just snaps on like that, and not really that noisy. And you can see the change. And this is the cold air. So as you can see, this worked really well. It dried my husband's hair like really fast, and you could see how it really had some great airflow.
Their fingernails aren't though.
Oh, just enjoy it. Just really fast. I got this free for a review, and I highly recommend this. This is a great blow dryer to have. It's super lightweight. What do you think? Here, because you're the one that uses blow dryers more than I do.
That is nice. It's like a pew pew.
Over here, look at just the blowing power. I mean, you can really see the blowing power with that. We got this free for review, and we highly recommend this. This is a great blow dryer to have, and